What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Xbox Series X replica mini fridge.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. So, it took a while for me to get one of these. I've actually had this right before Christmas, but I'm finally getting to an unboxing here. One thing about this right off the bat is you see only at Target right here. This will be coming to more retailers soon. I thought when Xbox said it would be coming to more retailers, it would be before Christmas. But so far, I haven't seen it in any other retail outlet in the US. I know it's been reports of different outlets in the UK, but as far as the US, only at Target. So, you can see the box. It's a 1:5:1 scale replica. It's quite bigger than the actual Series X, which I have. But let's open up the box because there's a lot to get to, I feel. So let's see what the box looks like. It's gonna be difficult to get all the camera shots in because of the awkwardness of this box, but that's the front. The side, it says holds up to 12 cans of soda, and it has 2 snack shelves. We're gonna put that to the test in this video. That's what it looks like. It's got a little power button. We'll get into all this as we get into the actual unit, but let's get into it, see what's inside this thing. You got a piece of instructions here. This is the unit. Let's see if I can get that out. And nothing else in the box. Just 2 pieces of styrofoam, a piece of plastic, little instruction manual, which we're not going to go through. And then you actually have the unit. So, what does it look like? So on the front, it looks literally just like an Xbox Series X. You've got the little icon here for power. That's what the light is. Here's your eject button here. This is where a disc would go in. And then here you have your sync button, and you actually have a real USB port right there, if you can see that. Right there, real USB port. And I think that's how you turn it on. So the plug is actually inside. You'll see here, here's the plugs. Looks like, let's see what kind of plugs we have with this thing. All right, you got a standard outlet, and it looks like that goes into the back. You'll see here on the back, that's where it actually plugs in. And then you also have, it looks like this might go into a cigarette lighter. So you can probably take it portable, and this goes into, let's see if it goes, not gonna go there. Let's see. It's gonna go in here. So yeah, you can actually plug this in to go to your cigarette lighter. Probably could take this on a road trip with you if you're into that type of thing. So looking at the top, you'll actually see it has those green kind of, just like the Xbox. Usually on the Xbox, all of these are holes here, but it looks like because of them having to make this into a refrigerator, they kind of gave you the feel of what it is, but didn't go full on out, probably because it has a condenser or something inside. But if you look on the left, on the right side here, you got the door handle. You can see it's green. On the back, you have your ports there. And it also has an on and off switch manual, so you can have this plugged in and turn it on and off. And then you have all your fake ports, how the Xbox is, but they actually didn't make them real because it's not needed. And then on the other side, it's actually blank, just like the Xbox. So I would say if you're looking at this thing, it pretty much looks just like a Series X. On the inside, you got a green door. Now it doesn't open, I didn't like this, it doesn't open all the way. So if you're super aggressive here, you're gonna break that. So be careful when opening this door. But you got 2 shelves in there. You got 2 shelves, they actually come out shelves if you like to rearrange some stuff. But we're gonna actually try this with, and it doesn't seem to line up. It's funny, but you got 3 shelves, 2 removable shelves, and then you have this side door. But I'm actually gonna go get some soda cans because it says you can fit 12 cans, and I don't think you can. So let's check this out really quickly. Okay, so let's do the soda test here really quickly. See if we can fit 12 cans of soda, because it doesn't look like it to me, but I may be wrong. Let's see. Let's see if that closes. No, that's not gonna close. Let's see. No, I'm gonna say that's a no on 12 cans of soda. At least traditional 12-ounce sodas. It fits 10 comfortably. There, you got 10 in there. 2 are not gonna make it in, so it doesn't quite fit a 12-pack. I don't know what kind of soda cans they use to make that claim, but it's only 10 in my opinion from what I can see here. So yeah. That's I guess debunked, but pretty much this is just an unboxing. We'll see how this does in the real world when I actually start to use it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.